EventSpark guided training sessions. Creating multiple identities. To set up your first organizing entity, go the waffle and search for organizing entities. You can add a tab for organizing entities to your menu tabs if you plan to change these often. Create an organizing entity. Before you can create an organizing entity, obtain the URL of the site your system administrator created in your Salesforce org before installing EventSpark. This is the site all your event microsites be published to. Each organizing entity must have its own unique site. If you have multiple organizing entities, your system administrator must create a site for each of them. While in EventSpark setup, click on Organizing Entities object drop-down arrow. Click on New Organizing Entity. Give your organizing entity a name and capture a phone number and email address for general inquiries. This will appear in the footer of your website. Define the links to your website and social media pages. If you leave one blank, the relevant icon will be removed from the footer of your website. To select the site URL, click on the button next to Edit called Select Site URL. Select the site you want to use for your events. If you have multiple sites because you have multiple organizing entities, make sure you pick the right one, as otherwise the branding on your site will be incorrect. Only active and unused sites appear in the pick list, so if your site does not appear, check it has been activated and that it is not in use by another organizing entity. Click Update. Upload your logo and banner image. To configure the logo of the entity that will be displayed on your event sites, upload your logo by clicking on the Upload Files button and finding the image on your computer, or drag and drop your file onto the or drop files region of the image uploader. The logo must be high-resolution logo and preferably have dimensions of 200x85 pixels. Once the image has uploaded, click on Done. Define what the image should be used for, logo or banner. The banner will be used on the event summary page, not on individual events, as each event gets its own banner. Once you have successfully uploaded your image and refreshed your page, it will appear in the Event Images section of your page, and the logo and banner URL fields will be populated with the location of the images. You can also upload a banner if you plan to use the EventSpark Upcoming Events Summary page, in which case repeat the steps above and define the image as a banner instead of a logo. The banner will only be used on the Upcoming Events page, not on individual events, as each event gets its own banner. If you want to view your images on a carousel, click the Carousel button and they will rotate. Remember, the logo selected for the organizing entity will appear on all event sites and email templates linked to this organizing entity. The banner appears on the Upcoming Events Summary page, which, if you use it, lists all your active events. Banners for individual event sites are uploaded per event when you create your event.